Hey everybody, Griffen Hock here. So you're underwater in your house. You've bought a nice house, or you've built a really nice house that's worth between that used to be worth between $500,000 and $3.5 million. Well, what should you do? Well, first of all, I would advise you to take a look at your current mortgage. Is it a fixed rate? Is it affordable? Is it something where you can just ride this storm out and you've got a good 10 or 15 years and you love your home? Well, if that's the case, then don't do anything at all. Sit tight, turn off the news, ignore the noise, okay? Enjoy your home. On the other hand, if your home is unaffordable now or will be unaffordable in the future when your interest rate goes up, perhaps your mortgage is a balloon or an adjustable rate mortgage that, as we all know, will go through the roof. What are the caps on that mortgage? What will your payment be in the future? How will that large albatross of a mortgage affect your quality of life? Will it feel like you're constantly on a hamster wheel and you're not getting anywhere, and it's tough to breathe, and you're not able to contribute into your retirement as much because you've put all your money into this house that just continues to tank in value and lose equity? Well, we've got a solution for you. I've got a relationship with a hedge fund that buys higher end underwater mortgages. Okay, they'll go ahead and contact your bank for you, buy the mortgage, and at the same time lease the house back to you for 3 years, let you stay in the house. They'll also take a portion of your lease payment, which is usually around half of what your current mortgage payment is, and set it up as building a reserve for you that will be used for your down payment when you go to buy back that house from them. Okay, big advantages for you, and also really innovative. I feel like this is going to help a lot of people live better quality of life, help them really get into their home without feeling like it's completely choking them, like it's a noose around their neck, and it's just a matter of time before this ticking time bomb explodes and creates a problem. Here's a great way, guys, we can fix housing. Okay, we can look at an underwater mortgage solution. There are investors that will buy your underwater mortgage from your bank, and this is actually doing your bank a favor. If your bank is to the point where they may have to foreclose, and they're willing, or they could be affected to the tune of losing hundreds of thousands of dollars, along with not having any clarity on what the home would look like if the home ends up going to foreclosure, you have options. Okay, contact me today. I can put you in contact with one of our experts that can analyze your situation and refer you to our hedge fund that does buy underwater mortgages. Okay, so don't feel like it's hopeless. Don't feel like there aren't any answers out there for you. Let's have a high trust conversation today. Okay, there are solutions. Let's make sure that we make our way towards your best solution. Okay, ideally turn off the news, ignore the noise, and continue to make your payments and live and enjoy your house, because it's your home. You built it. If it's not your forever house and you're in a bad financial spot, and it's just a matter of time before that house goes into foreclosure or becomes a short sale and hurts the neighborhood, it's better to take action in advance. It's better to address it head on, look it right square in the eyes, and as opposed to waiting it out and watching things get worse, or knowing that your mortgage rate is going to be adjustable and it feels like the water's going above your head and you can't breathe. It's good to have education, know what your options are. Okay, this is a free service. The hedge fund doesn't charge the client anything. So reach out to me today. Let's talk about it. My number is 248-755-0765. My email is ghock@berkshirecapital.com. There's a private lender solution out there for you. You just got to have a moment and engage in it and have a high trust conversation as to what your best outcome is. Thanks a lot. Griffen Hock, 248-755-0765.